because it gives us a lot of trust and confidence to play the next game. Because you just mentioned it, they are almost unbeatable. But if you are already 12 matches, you did not lose. The one you are going to lose is nearby. The statistic, it is statistic, I mean. So I hope we will be that opponent for them to lose their first game.
Mereka tidak terkalahkan selama 12 pertandingan, berarti ada yang berjalan dengan baik di permainan tersebut. Mereka sukses.
It's a good style because it is successful, and just mention it, 12 games unbeaten, so they must do something very good. And very good is there's a good balance. They have creativity on midfield. I forgot his name, number 7. Marcelino. He is the spill and the director of the game. We also saw it last game with we didn't saw because he was suspended with Yadga. This is always a club who has an outstanding player on the midfield. So I think that's also the key of success of our opponent. And, it's to us to stop them. How we try to compete the opponent from tomorrow and in which key players are very important. I will tell them today at the last training.
Akan menginformasikan kepada tim tentang bagaimana kita harus bermain dan akan dilakukan oleh tim Persebaya.
So if by comparing a boxer who had a few punches against his face and he is a little bit dizzy of it, that is the feeling I think of the team. The confidence is going down. If we didn't win the last 7-8 games, it will.
Cuman ya tugas saya sebagai seorang pejabat dan saya tahu itu sulit karena mereka memang mempunyai striker yang bagus untuk ya saya pikir saya akan berusaha semaksimal mungkin untuk menghentikan serangan-serangan mereka dan tetap fokus dan menjaga gawang saya supaya tidak problem.